Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you like pepper in your food, today's dish is for you. I learned it from a very dear friend of mine. It's called pepper chicken. So let's get started. For this dish, we need 1 kilo of chicken, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 sliced onions, salt to taste, 4 to 5 Kashmiri chillies, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of oil, 3 tablespoons of pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of clarified butter, 2 tablespoons of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of kasoori methi. First, marinate the chicken adding vinegar, pepper, ginger garlic paste, and salt. Mix it and let it rest for half an hour in the fridge. Once the chicken is marinated, heat the ghee or clarified butter and let it melt. Add the oil, and once the oil is hot, add the onions. Saute it till it turns translucent. This will take 5 to 6 minutes. Add the Kashmiri chilies and let it cook for another 5 minutes. Add the chicken and mix well. This is a very tasty and easy dish cooked with few ingredients. Keep stirring and mixing the chicken. And let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. You don't need to add any water, as the chicken will cook in its own juice. Cook this dish on low to medium heat. Keep stirring in intervals. After 10 minutes, add the garam masala. You can see how the chicken has got a very lovely, rich, peppery brown color. Add the kasoori methi at this stage. And cook for another 10 to 15 minutes or till the chicken is done. This dish can be eaten with naan or roti. Enjoy cooking and subscribe to my channel. Till next, ciao.